Hello guys, welcome to A310 today. Today I'll be unboxing a new microphone which I just add to my YouTube gadget collection. You know, it's been a long journey and for new content creator, there's always the challenges of using sophisticated devices compared to what you can actually afford. Currently, as I am filming this video, I'm using my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and I am using my AirBud as my mic. What kind of mic did I use when I started? Firstly, I used the mic from my phone directly without the noise being able to sieve out. Later on, I got a wireless mic, a wired mic which I used for a few times and the wire got detached. While I also use this headphone as my mic sometimes. That's why you see it when I'm making a video. It's either around my neck like this so that the mic will be closer to me. And the one I'm currently using while shooting this video is the one in my ear. You can see that is my current mic. But today I'll be unboxing this Holy Land mic. It's a refurbished one, so I don't expect to get the full package, but it's an amazing mic from the reviews online. Stay tuned, don't leave the channel, and don't forget to leave the thumbs up. This serves as support for the channel because we are not earning a dime currently from YouTube, and we are trying as much as possible to give you content that will enhance your productivity. So grab your coffee and let's dive into Holy Land mic. So guys, we have the Holy Land mic here. It's a wireless mic and it's got me excited. So what do we have here? Let's see. Let's see. I think we have here. Wow. I believe you can see that. Okay. Like I said earlier, it's refurbished and I would not be surprised if I don't get the full package. Okay, let's just dive into the mic proper. I told you it's a refurbished one, so that's why it's not sealed here. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Are you sure this is a mic? Wow. This is beautiful. This is wonderful. Oh, there is no manual inside it. Okay, interview, vlog, podcast, live streaming. Wow, that's amazing. 2-person wireless microphone system and a charging case. 1-person wireless microphone system. That's amazing. Okay, well, everything is made in China, but the qualities are different. Okay, this is the box the mic comes in. I believe this is for easy carriage. I can feel the quality of the materials used in making the box. This is lovely. This is actually lovely. Okay, so I'm unzipping right now. Okay, they even try to make the zip invincible. Okay, what do we have inside? Wow. Normally if it was brand new, I was supposed to get a charging box. The picture is on the screen. I was supposed to get that and 2 mic and 1 transmitter, but here we are. I don't know how this happened. Okay, I have this is 1 mic and I believe this is the transmitter. Thank you. Let's see if something is under this. There is nothing. Whoa, we are here for you, Holy Land. After sales card. Okay, let's get in touch. Okay, do you see the thank you on that? I was actually thinking it's inside, but that's amazing. I love that branding. It's amazing. Quick guide and the likes. Okay, nothing is here again. I love the casing. Okay, then here we have 1 Type-C cable, 2 Type-C cable, Okay, I believe this is for the mic. Okay, this will sit here. There's a fix it here, then you can use it this way. Well, that's amazing. It has its purpose too. So, but I'll be returning that now. I'm not trying that now. Then we have this jack. What would this be for? Okay, probably you are connecting the transmitter to a camera. There is no user manual in this. Okay, this is another in. Okay, that's all we have in the box. So I'll be pausing this video and try to get how it works, so this video doesn't take a long one, and get back to you. One of the beautiful thing about this mic that I just noticed now is, apart from the charging case I should get, I can easily charge the transmitter and the mic independently. So if you actually lose your charging case, this is always good for you. You can easily charge this, and it's very, very fast. It's a Type-C charger. You can see that means it's charging. Then I'll also plug in the transmitter and charge it for a while. You can compare the sound you are getting from my AirBuds mic now. By the time I switch to this, it will be absolutely different. You can see. So one beautiful thing is you can independently operate the transmitter on its own. You can see this yellow button. I believe this is probably for recording. You can see the power on button here independently. Let me see if there's, I believe this yellow button is also for it to connect to probably your phone and the likes. And this is a transmitter. You can see the horn out if you are connecting it to a camera. Then okay, let's check this out. This, okay, to increase the transmitters mic volume and co. So this is really, really cool. Stay tuned while I change the mic and tell me how it sounds. So guys, from the look of things, I'm going to be needing a Type-C to an ear jack cable to be able to use this with my current phone. But thank God I have another phone I used to record it that I'm going to use to try the mic out. Just stay tuned. As you can see, I'm holding the Holland mic right now, and I'm trying to check the sound difference between this Holland mic and the AirBud and the headphones that I've been using for a very long time. So at the end of this video, I'll be expecting you to tell me, did you get any difference between the AirBud I was using earlier, or did you prefer to I should use this Holland mic? Tell me which one sounds better. And don't forget, in my next video you might not see me holding this mic. It might be beneath my clothes, or it might be on my table. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave the notification bell so as to get notified each time we post a new video. Which one do you prefer? The headphone, JBL headphone mic that I use, or the AirBud, Skull Candy AirBud that I use? But if you listen carefully, you notice that you hear some sound when I was using the AirBud. I'm not really good at editing, so I'm not going to do a lot of work with the sound. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye.